2018 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, fog lights, security system, power windows, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, power moonroof, entertainment system, remote keyless entry. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.